for LGIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 4, biofuel, LPG and CNG. Okay, let me start. Today we discussion about the topic is what is a simple definition of this LPG, that is what is a manufacturing this process of LPG, then what is the advantage, disadvantage and various properties of LPG. Let me start. First we discussion about the simple definition of this LPG. Okay, so what is a LPG? What is a chemical full form of LPG? LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Means a liquid petroleum gas is flammable mixture of this hydrocarbon gas and used as a fuel in heating application, also the cooking equipment and also the vehicle. Means the main part is propane and butane. Means it is also the aerosol, this propellant and refrigerant in replacing of this chlorofluorocarbon, means CFC, in effort of reduce the damage to the ozone layer. It is a simple definition of this liquefied petroleum gas. Another is LPG is made of this carbon and hydrogen atom. This forming this propane and butane, which natural gas is made is lighter in methane. Okay, the simplest of carbon and hydrogen molecular. Okay, also the second point is LPG is stored in a steel vessel ranging from small BBQ gas bottle to the large gas cylinder and tank. Okay, the main part is the LPG 60% is natural gas and 40% of this crude oil. Main part is propane and butane. Also the slow is part of methane. Okay, the liquefied petroleum gas. Second point is the manufacturing this process of LPG. So LPG gas manufacturing is two types. First is natural gas processing and second is refining crude oil. Okay, so let we start. First is natural gas processing from LPG. Natural gas processing, you can see the diagram of this LPG natural gas processing. Okay, so first the main part is LPG natural gas. The main mixture of gases, main part of 60% of this natural gas and 40% of this refining crude oil. Okay, 60% is natural gas. The main part is propane and butane, and also the natural, another is liquid natural gas, and also the methane. The what is the formula of propane and butane? The main part of this propane is C3H8 and butane is C4H10 and methane is CH4. You can see the diagram of this natural gas processing. Okay, so first is acid, the natural gas, the acid gas is removal, then also the unit and this biogas is termination process, and also the dehydration and this removal of this mercury is also the removal of this foreign particle and pure quality of this natural gas. And this nitrogen is reactor. Then second is manufacturing this recover, means NGL, natural gas is liquid is recovery, and finally is produce a natural gas, the methane, propane, butane. Okay, it is a simple manufacturing this process of diagram of natural gas for LPG. Second point is refining crude oil, means LPG from crude oil, means 40% of this crude oil means in earth. Okay, so you can see the diagram of this refinery crude oil and this process diagram, which type of this process, and this produce a petrol, kerosene, then diesel, naphtha, okay, and gas. So first is heated of this reforming process and distillation process, and finally this produce or refining and the process of reforming process. Okay, main process is reforming process, means oil at heat at 350 degrees Celsius temperature, and this process of different types of this reforming process and distillation process, and this produce finally this product of this gas, petrol, then this kerosene, diesel. Okay, you can see the diagram. First is refinery gas. Okay, the use then also the gasoline, then naphtha, then kerosene, and then diesel oil, and this fuel oil. The main part is crude oil. So LPG manufacturing this process is two. Main is natural gas process and crude oil process. Okay. Then second is advantage of LPG. The first point is advantage of this LPG, means liquefied petroleum gases. It contains this very less amount of this capacity. Here this LPG is power vehicle is produced almost 50% is less CO2 compared to petrol. Means nitrogen compound are comparable to petrol. Second point is it mixes with air at all temperature. Third point is provide this uniform charge for combustion in case of multi-cylinder engine, and also it has very high compression ratio. And fourth, it is very high anti-knock characteristics. Also the advantage of LPG. It is calorific value is almost 80% compared to that of this gasoline. Okay, means however it is very high octane number is comparison to the thermal efficiency, and also the research to prove this less amount of 50% of this cost compared to petrol. It is an advantage of this LPG. Then next point is also the engine may have 50% is long life. And the next point is what is the disadvantage of LPG. The first point is disadvantage of LPG produce 10% less power compared to petrol on the same engine. Second point is ignition temperature is higher than that of this petrol. It leaves 5% less lifetime of while. Okay. Third point is efficiency is cooling system is required, since the same use as a vaporizer the heat to the LPG vaporizers convert liquid into gas. Also the disadvantage of this LPG. Fourth point is due to the heavy cylinder, means used as a store of LPG, the weight of this engine gas is increasing is considerably. Also the disadvantage of this LPG, and a special fuel feed system is required for it. It is also the disadvantage of this LPG. So what second point is various properties of LPG. The first various property of LPG, first is chemical formula of LPG. Liquefied petroleum main part is propane C3H8 and the butane is C4H10. The first point is the formula of LPG is C3H8. Second point is octane number of LPG as a fuel is about 112. And the third point is flame visibility. This LPG is visible in all condition. Then fourth point is LPG freeze at lower temperature. Then LPG stay liquid because is under pressure in a gas cylinder. Also it is a colorless and odorless is in natural gas. LPG density or specific gravity is about half that of this water, about 0.51. And also the LPG contains this propane approximately 25 kJ per liter and releases CO2, which is a greenhouse gas, means but is cleaner when compared to gasoline. Means reduce the CO2 is compared to gasoline, to reduce the greenhouse gas is also the global warming. So it is a various properties of LPG. Today we discuss about the simple definition of this LPG, manufacturing this process of LPG natural gas and refining this crude oil, and what is the advantage various properties of LPG, and also the highly okay.